My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the adware called AssistiveConnection. AssistiveConnection is the adware from the adload family. This particular adware attacks Mac computers and it targets Mac-related browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and so on. This adware, once installed, starts to display many intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. So if you have found its presence on your Mac, you need to get rid of it immediately. Right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove any other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.